G'day everyone, I'm here in Greenfields, Mandurah at Segnut, and I'm here with Tom Baskovich, CEO Segnut, and Brian Bradshaw, the creative designer. Fellas, what is Segnut?
Okay. Well, Segnut is a replacement for a standard nut for industrial applications. Here's a Segnut that's holding a demonstration flange, and Brian here will just give you an example of how it can be used. So the first thing you're seeing is that he's using a standard tool to apply the Segnut. So it'll just go on as a regular nut, same strength, same grades, same materials. It can be removed just like a standard nut if it has to, if it's a trial application. So you tighten it up, and you notice that we're tightening it up on the inner part, which is what we call the nut. And then there's another part here called the sleeve. Again, a standard tool will be used, and the magic is you rotate that sleeve in the tightening direction, and the nut comes off in 2 seconds.
All right, so applications in sectors across the economy, resources particularly. Tell us what are the advantages of the Segnut?
Resources is where we're targeting first, and it's local companies, which is fantastic. They've got regular maintenance to do. With the bulk materials that they handle, things just wear out. Every time they transfer some iron ore, there's a wear plate somewhere or a bulldozer cutting edge blade that's doing that hard work, that's wearing out, has to be replaced every 10 weeks or so. There's nuts that have to come off.
So every time that equipment needs a pit stop, this is going to accelerate the process, increase productivity, save costs.
We're going to bring F1 times to the resource industry.
Beautiful.
In taking their nuts off.
And there's also application across defence as well, with armoured vehicles perhaps, or naval vessels, a whole range of things.
We think that's not our area of expertise. You could probably tell us more about
Sure.
that, Andrew. But
it sounds sensible.
Yeah, we believe ultimately once we engineer it and bring it into production, we can then look at those other niche applications where we can show off the technology and learn about how it could be deployed.
Fantastic. Well, this is a great Aussie design, great Aussie business. The federal government is backing it with a $500,000 grant to help them commercialise it. As you said, Tom, help you guys put the foot on the accelerator harder and sooner. So I'm proud to back them, and so should you, Australia.